How can you play Brawl Stars on 120 FPS? So basically you will need to go to your settings. As you can see, I'm on my Android phone. Here on the search bar, wait a little bit. Here on the search bar, I will type in games. I will go to this tab, scroll down a little bit, and I will turn on Game Turbo. Let's wait a little bit, and here you can play Brawl Stars or any game at high FPS rate. So basically right now, as you can see, I'm on balance mode. If I will go on high quality, I will play Brawl Stars on 120 FPS. Right now, start playing. And that's it, guys. I hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.